Look at this wonderful view that I have today from this tiny office. And you're so awesome. Please keep introducing yourself now just in these messages.
Hi guys, my name is Kirill, and for the last 4 or even 5 years, I don't remember, I'm working on, and actually we are creating a bunch of HR tech startups.
Hi guys, my name is Sasha, and as you can see, I'm staying in my car after a long hard week.
I'm Alexander. I'm from St. Petersburg, and my business is ventilation systems. My global ambitions are me better than myself. Thank you.
Hello to the Grammar Tribe. My name is Anna. I am a pronunciation and communication teacher at ELK, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have.
For Americans, on time means 5 minutes early, okay? Being late is really rude.
Hey guys, nice to meet you once again. My name is Victorina, and I'm here to share my experience in an acceleration program in New York. Here are my 5 lessons that I took away from that experience.
Whether the weather is hot, whether the weather is cold, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether you like it or not.
Boom. Whether the weather is hot, whether the weather is cold, we'll be together whatever the weather, whether you like it or not. Boom.